Gucci did a travel campaign where it's like, imagine what we can do and travel the world. And it's like with Ryan Gosling and all these famous influencers. Now, I thought a really good discussion for us today would be, do you believe that AI will replace influencers, or do you believe AI will actually make influencers more valuable? Okay, so let's go. We aren't able to find it right now. I found it on my Twitter earlier, but go to the GQ real quick. So this, let's say, is actually a G campaign, okay, with Ryan Reynolds, and he's got his burger. Or Ryan Gosling, sorry. He says burger, dope truck. I like the circle mirrors. And he's out somehow with a truck on the sand in a beach, and it looks like Capri.
Like PCH.
Yeah, or
like
Italy.
North PCH.
Yeah, he's somewhere, right? He's got all these Gucci bags. It's a crazy shot, but it's actually a really good shot. And Ryan's being Ryan Gosling, right? You got neutral, brown on brown, the green and the red. It's pretty cool shot. It's a really cool campaign, okay? So you got Ryan Gosling, and then let's go to the other one. That also, frankly, to me, is a really, really cool creative campaign with the Gucci hard hat and this guy. That guy doesn't exist.
So this is an AI.
This is an AI Gucci ad for the same campaign. So, Brady, it's called Gucci Blue Collar. I love this guy. Nick St. Pierre is like an art director who uses AI, and he's just playing around with it, obviously.
Yeah.
Do you think, and this is the way I want to frame the question, so I'm going to give me a second to process this. Do you believe the Ryan Gosling ad would do more money than if Ryan Gosling was replaced in that other one with an AI person similar to this?
I
know.
Well, because it's like,
I know.
It's the concept, like, this is a brilliant AI generated ad, and how they inform the AI to produce this.
Blue collar Gucci. It's a sick. That's what I mean. This is exactly what Gucci would do for an ad. Like, this is Gucci's style. I know, because it's not an influencer. So like another type of influencer I want to show you is I want to round out before you answer, because I think this will help like show you the different types. The next one is Hex. I saw this on Twitter also. So go to Hex, founder CEO Twitter with a space, like Hex, founder CEO. And then if you scroll down, this. Okay, click on this one for me. So this is a guy who has a product. Go full screen, please. So the other way you do this is Kendall and Hailey Bieber. Okay, so this is, now this to me works. And this is entirely different, because this is influencer generated content, not influencer starring in a photo shoot campaign.
Yeah.
I want to make sure, like.
Yeah, it's like a celebrity placement, which was
Ryan
Gucci
Gosling
truck ad.
Yes.
This is now
Hailey doing her own show.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's called. Do you know what it's called, Scarlett? You're not a Bieber.
Selena did
You're
it first,
a Selena
though.
fan?
I don't really pay attention to any of this stuff.
So Selena was doing at-home cooking shows before Hailey Bieber. And I don't know.
But Bieber came in and like stole her show?
Well, that's the whole thing right now. She's copying her. That's, what's blowing up, at least on my newsfeed.
Wow. Well, Selena's every woman's woman, I believe. And Hailey, she's just a wannabe Selena.
But Bieber's still showing some type of thoughts and obsessions with Selena still. It's crazy.
It
out
is
there
crazy.
Right now.
Wow, we should do a news kind of show.
Yeah.
But so my point here is like the influencer team at Hexclad obviously reached out to Hailey and somehow got the same show that Kendall's on, which is crazy. Speaking of like placements, this is pretty close to as good as it gets, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Of like a placement of your knife product. Of like, where do you want to be? I would imagine Hailey Bieber's Instagram with Kendall Jenner has to be pretty high up on the like doing your job as like product placement with influencers, right?
I agree.
Okay. So let's watch this and we'll compare it to the other two and see what we think about how AI could change things.
These are our beautiful Hexclad knives on our beautiful Hexclad board that they have provided with us today.
That was really
That was guys, I blocked her chop, but like it was a gorgeous chop.
I thought they were the D'Amelios or something when I saw this
tray
first.
Yeah, me too.
In this Hexclad board,
That's
I've
cool.
never seen that before. It has a little tray to put all your extras, which I really am enjoying that today.
That was it. So I'm sure there's more, but I want to show you. So that, to me, is a very different kind of influencer campaign. Do you think AI could replace that?
No. I think I just think they're two different things.
I do too.
I think.
But I wanted to make sure we had a more nuanced conversation.
Yeah. Like AI is definitely replacing all non-influencer type campaigns. Like even the Gucci one, the blue collar one, I mean, you'd have to take over that construction site. That guy would be probably an expensive model.
Yep.
Your photographer
It's expensive.
is expensive
Makeup.
as hell because of who they are, even though no one knows who took the photo outside of people in the inner ad circle, but they'd still pay a ton of money to get that person
Oh, yeah.
to take the photo.
A legend in the
Yeah.
makeup game.
So
You got
I
the
think-
agency fee.
Yeah.
And we ain't cheap.
AI, I think, is replacing all of that.